Let's look at 3 reasons why the rich get richer. Number 3. Rich people have a lot of income-producing assets. The rich certainly have a lot of advantages when it comes to accumulating wealth. One major reason is that they tend to have a lot of income-producing assets. Real estate is a perfect example. Not only does owning property typically generate a healthy stream of rental income, but the value of the property itself usually increases over time. This appreciation can provide a significant boost to the owner's net worth. Another type of income-producing asset is cash. Banks will borrow the rich person's cash and pay them an interest rate. The interest payments they receive will add to their already sizable incomes, giving them even more money to reinvest in additional assets. This cycle is one of the key reasons why the rich tend to get richer over time. The more money rich people make from their income-producing assets, the more assets they can buy, and the more money they make, and the more assets they can buy, and the cycle continues. Number 2. The rich have more influence and better connections. When it comes to making money, it pays to have influence. The rich tend to have more influence, which gives them an edge when it comes to making money. They can use their influence to get better deals and access to exclusive opportunities. In addition, the rich often have better connections than the average person. They can use their connections to meet investors, land lucrative contracts, and meet future business partners. As a result, the rich tend to get even richer. The good news is that this is something you can slowly start doing even if you're not rich. By building your own influence and networking with the right people, you can create your own path to riches. You are the sum total of the people you hang out with. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1. The rich have money to buy big-ticket items which can appreciate faster. While there are many factors that contribute to the rich getting richer, one of the most important is the difference in buying power. The rich have more money to spend, and they often use that money to purchase big-ticket items that appreciate quickly in value. For example, they may buy a home in an up-and-coming neighborhood or invest in a new business venture. Over time, these assets increase in value, giving the rich an even larger nest egg. Meanwhile, the poor typically don't have as much money to invest, so they are more likely to miss out on these opportunities for growth. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.